Hello everyone, welcome to Mojo for Industry, and we are at the ELECRAMA 2023. This is world's largest exhibition on electrical and electronics industry. And we are at the stall of Telawne. They are one of the leading players in the field of power transformers. And we'll be talking to Mr. Rakesh Telawne, who is the Managing Director of Telawne Power Equipment Private Limited. So Mr. Rakesh, welcome to Mojo for Industry. This is the first time we are talking for Mojo for Industry, and welcome on board. And we'd like to understand from you, sir, how has been the journey for Telawne, and if you can tell us about your company in brief.
So Telawne is more than 30 years old company, 3 decades. Telawne Power is 20 years old company. We have been participating in ELECRAMA particularly because it was India's largest. Now it has become world's largest electrical exhibition, and we have been participating for last almost 20 years now. So it has been a wonderful experience in the industry itself as a growth structure, right from for Telawne and for ELECRAMA and electrical industry.
So sir, you are at this exhibition which is very focused for electrical industry, and you are into the business of transformers. So what are the product and solutions you offer to the industry?
So our main product is transformers. So in case of transformer, there are various types of transformers based on the application of the industry. So it can be like inverter duty transformer currently, which is going for renewable solar business, or energy storage multi-winding transformers, or it could be a wind application transformer, distribution dry type, oil cooled package substance, so many products which fall under our purview. And our main focus is customized solution to the customer.
Smart has been the kind of niche or buzzword for every industry, but today we talk about whether it's smart infrastructure, smart cities, smart utilities, everything. So how does it affect, or how does it impact the transformer industry as a whole?
So COVID has made us smart. So one of the reason why we have also introduced smart transformer is IoT-based transformers. So all the data for the transformer, of the transformer and the substation, not just the transformer as a equipment. We are coming up with a IoT solution with all or any kind of equipment like transformer, switchgear, diesel generator set or firefighting system, and it can be integrated to a data where a person can see on his desktop or mobile and get its alerts and monitor its various parameters and even do the maintenance tracking.
How does this smart technologies are helping the utilities as a whole?
See, first of all, India is a growing country. Labor is going to be very tough going ahead, and it is the right time to convert into automation, and being smart is automation. So this will help utilities particularly by reducing their maintenance cost. If they are able to maintain or track all the equipments, balance all the equipment for the utilization purpose of the whole network, this will fetch them advantage or edge for operation and improve the efficiency.
You are one of the pioneers in bringing advanced technologies to this market. Are you introducing any new technology in this ELECRAMA, or if you want to say in this year to come?
So IoT is the product what we are launching this year only. After COVID, this is the third year where, or there is a gap of 3 years instead of 2 years, which is happening in ELECRAMA particularly every alternate year. So IoT solution is we are introducing in this ELECRAMA 2023.
Right, sir. So what will be your some of your long-term, short-term and mid-term objectives to achieve in the years to come? You have a very strong growth you have achieved during the past couple of decades.
So I am very happy to say that this is the 55th country that we are exporting, prima facie. So this year, and there is the growth of export is including US, Mexico, Australia, Denmark. So the countries, developed countries are adapting or accepting Indian products, and particularly Telawne. That is a good part. We expect that the momentum that the current government is giving for transformer, not just transformer, it is about the Indian industry, manufacturing industry, make in India. So that is helping us a lot for even exporting out of India.
Would you like to go beyond transformer, something else as well?
Yes, that's the idea, and going ahead, definitely we are going to venture into some diversified product. Might be electrical or might not be electrical also.
Having being a homegrown company of transformer manufacturing and having presence in 55 countries today, what's there for Telawne in the future to come apart from the diversification?
So apart from diversification, or rather before diversification, we would like to venture into not just supplying or installing. We would like to also start manufacturing, being a brand, local brand in those countries. So particularly developed countries, what we are focusing around. So at least we are looking for, in the next 3 years, we need to have a venture. It could be joint venture or takeover in 2 or 3 continents.
So with Make in India, and you say that you want to start manufacturing of for developed countries as well. What is the capex plan you have?
So far that is not been formulated. Very frankly, I cannot give any spelled out figures, but it would be around 200 million Indian rupees at least.
So again, a homegrown company having having presence in 55 countries. What is the resource you have as of now, and how would you like to expand your network globally?
So first of all, in-house, in case of manufacturing, we want to expand our capacities on the manufacturing front. So capabilities by way of training, imparting to our employees. That's the first agenda which has been going on for last couple of years after COVID. That was an advantage. Secondly, it is about infrastructure building with automation to reduce the lead times particularly, and get proper data of the operation activity. This will also fetch us or make us competitive in international market. That's the agenda what we carry here, and then make a station or a hub for developed countries, that this is a place where we will buy transformers from.
Very, very promising, sir. So we are at ELECRAMA, and we would like to understand from you, apart from launching the new smart solutions, what are the things ELECRAMA visitors are going to see here?
So currently the requirement of, particularly like here for ELECRAMA, we are for transformers. So the demand for transformer particularly is very high, and giving right quality at right time is what our objective has been, and that is going to be there with our customers. And at the same time, the buyers have changed their attitude or approach towards not as just as a supplier but as a partner. So we are expecting that to happen in ELECRAMA after 3 years.
Right. Anything very promising message you have to pass on to your partners, as you say that your customers are your partners?
So look for, I will say, promising quality first. Not just partners, I will say even to certain government entities. Ask for credential, ask for capabilities, and definitely you will see the price is not the only benefit that fetches in the first front. Price comes last as at a later stage, because transformer or electrical product as a operation, as a function, should give a capital benefit, not just a product benefit.
So just to conclude, to sum it up actually, why Telawne?
So particularly system-driven activities are more efficiently handled by our team. I have got a lot of feedbacks from my customers here in first day itself, saying that your team has been very transparent. Then they have been very kind enough to accept the change, adaptability as per the customer needs. So that was the message what I have carried for the day one itself. So that is the good message to me as an industry. And this, I think so, need to taken up at a very high standards. So particularly in the service part of the product, that also we need to enhance with the customer so that they will be more satisfied or might be delighted.
Thank you so much, sir. It was great talking to you. It was Mr. Rakesh Telawne, Managing Director of Telawne Power Equipment Private Limited. It was great talking to you, sir, and thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.